In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to feedback on eBay effectively. Responding to feedback is essential because it reflects your commitment to customer service and can turn a negative into a positive. Let's dive into the steps and ensure you handle this like a pro. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account if you're not already. This is the gateway to accessing all the tools you need to manage your transactions and feedback. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section. From here, you'll want to click on the Selling tab, which will lead you to all your selling activities. In the Overview tab of your selling dashboard, scroll down until you find the Feedback section. This area is crucial as it compiles all feedback you've received regarding your transactions. Click on it, and you'll gain access to all the feedback left by your buyers. Now browse through the feedback to find the specific one you wish to respond to. If it's a neutral or negative comment, your response is particularly important. Neutral and negative feedback can influence future sales, so addressing them promptly is vital. Once you've identified the feedback, look for the reply button next to it. Clicking this will open up the response box. You have a maximum of 500 characters to craft your reply, so make the most of this space. It's about being concise yet comprehensive. While typing your response, maintain a professional and courteous tone. Remember, your response reflects your business ethics and approach to customer service. Avoid engaging in arguments, even if you disagree with the feedback. Acknowledge the customer's experience and maintain a positive demeanor. Take this opportunity to clarify or succinctly explain the situation without resorting to lengthy justifications. Offer a brief explanation or a solution to ensure the customer feels heard and appreciated. Once you're satisfied with your response, click Leave Reply to post it publicly. It's crucial to remember that this reply will be visible to everyone, so keep it cordial and composed. Here's a tip: always aim to be polite and calm in your responses. A well-phrased reply can greatly influence how others perceive your business. As an example, you might say, "We're sorry for the delay, we've issued a refund and sent a message and thank you for your patience." And that's it. With these steps, you'll be adept at responding thoughtfully and professionally to feedback on eBay. Handling feedback well can enhance your reputation, build customer trust, and ultimately lead to more successful interactions in the future. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your eBay endeavors.